Hey everybody, so we're moving right along with the logs. I think that last video about this application, voice analyzer in this series, was a really good series, probably the best I've ever done for sort of explaining a couple of concepts. One is, like pass by value, pass by reference, and then the other, like why the system doesn't recognize changes. So now, so just for an example, I did change this signal to do a number, but I definitely want to go back to having it update an entire array. And so we're just going to break everything again. Um, there's another breakage down here. I guess I'll probably try to go down there. Go down there. And hit save. And then go back into this. And if I remember, I wonder if I can control it now. I was like wondering if I could control Z. For the moment, it's going to be any array, and it's an empty array, and then log listings. Okay, so that's all good. Let's see, there's probably more broken stuff. Back to here, record count. Where are we? Don't know. Don't know. Silly. This is going to be nice doing it this way because, when I do strongly typed things, it'll all break again and I'll be able to easily fix it. Okay, so back to the problem. Hello. And it didn't. Oh, and I think I need to also make this dot length. And record count is probably the wrong name for this. Hello. Yeah, so, oh. Hi. Oh, it is working now. That was kind of funny because before it was not. I don't know why it's working. You're not supposed to be working. But anyways, it's like my boss when I'm late at night. He'll be like, dude, you're not supposed to be working. I was like, well, dude, so are you. But anyways, let's move forward. Actually, so let's go in here to where log works. I believe this thing is also listening to the changes. Let's go look for log works. I actually do not understand why it's working right now. Not too particularly worried about it because I guarantee, or I'm hoping it'll probably break again. Okay, so this dot log listing logs, and pipe JSON. Yeah, it doesn't know JSON, and I think it's because I'm supposed to import common. I think it's called common. Gosh, it's just so much easier to search for stuff on chat, to look for stuff. Use the pipe. What is that thing called? Oh, no, the JSON pipe. JSON pipe in Angular 18. Oh, that's weird. I've never done this. Features. Oh, wait. That is weird. Let me. data colon JSON. And what is the error? I'm pretty sure that's right. Is this Angular 18 or 17? I'm getting confused because a new one's coming out. Package.json. Yeah, this is Angular 18. Oh yeah, it's because I'm doing standalone common module. Okay, so my problem was I was thinking common module was from core. There we go. That's good. I'm actually glad that I learned that. I've run into this problem several times before. It is slowly, and it's slowly starting to sink in. It is specific to, apparently it's specific to standalone. Okay. Hello. Is trusted true? Is trusted true? Is trusted true? So we have 3 logs. They all say is trusted true. That does not feel right. Let's see. Let's go look at that log information. There's got to be better log information than that. Update log listings, result. So, okay, so publish and let's just do this. Boom. Let's stop this thing in the debugger. Hi. All right. So yeah, all of that is in there. I should be update log listing. I should have all of that. I wonder why is trusted. Oh, for some reason it's only showing the very first thing. Update log listing. Maybe that was a problem in log listings. Okay, list item. All right, and so that means that that is so wild. I don't feel like that. So they all have is trusted true at the top of it, but that doesn't seem like that's. Let me see. While we're here, let's see if I can go into sources, app, component, and basically logs component. And we'll hit this. So I think we should end up. Hello. Okay, I don't want this one anymore. Okay, that's weird. Oh, here we go. Oh, because it didn't exist. Oh, and that's why it's working. I don't know. That is weird. Let's see. Can I think if I step over all. Okay, good. Okay, so these are all the events that are in there. These are all the things, but when I hit run, it's only showing the very first item, which is weird. Okay, and I actually don't know why it's working. You know, basically my whole rant last week is about why that wouldn't work, and now it's working. But welcome to coding. Okay. So I'm gonna go with the length. Okay, I can't remember how to do for loops. New template language. wonder if it'll understand that broken English. Okay, so we'll just copy this. Okay. But it's log listing. Oh, I wonder why. Okay. Actually, that was wild that I have the this. Let's get rid of the this here and see what happens. Okay. Hello? Okay, so it's still doing that. Okay, so now let's paste this code in, and then actually item is good. We'll call that log listing. And get rid of that. Let's see if this works. Hello. That's weird. Let's see if there's anything. Oh, did it? No, we're good. See if anything showed up in the Okay, now I'm confused. Okay, hello. Maybe it's in there. We just. Hi. Nothing. Do we see nothing? We got our UL and nothing. Log listing. That makes sense. Hello. 3. And then log listing 4. Let item. What did I get wrong? That seems right. And I like this index of I thing, so let's just add that. Hello. That's so weird, but for a second there you see stuff underneath there, but and then nothing. Okay, log listing, we don't definitely know that. Log, and we know that this log listing is something, but for some reason I'm just going to say console log. Oh. Okay, did it tell us to do something inside of... No. Cannot bind 4.0 since it's not a parm. Okay, so this... Yeah. Let's see. I wish I would have looked at that first. Okay, so I did do the common module, right? Let's see. Or maybe I did that in the other one. Yeah, okay, common module. Okay, let's start at the beginning. So it's saying, hey, cannot bind. Okay, so I'm definitely using the right version of Angular. NG4, that is what we're doing, right? Oh wait, was it? No, that doesn't, there's no way that's... Hello. Oh, weird. Oh, weird. That is very, very strange, because I know we're using Angular 18. Oh, okay. Apparently this Angular 18 $4. So you got me good, ChatGPT. So apparently this is coming up. This is a preview, which I do think makes sense, but it looks like for now we are doing this. So let's go ahead and instead of doing we'll do item. That is hilarious. I mean, that is absolutely hilarious. Hello. Okay, so that's good. And now let's see. JSON. Let's see if we get better than just the very top thing. That is weird that it just did the top thing. Hi. And that's all we get is isTrusted true. But if we look in here, we get all kinds of stuff. Like bubbles. Let's see. Let's just see what happens if we say item dot bubbles. Hi. Yeah, so we got our bubbles data. It knows the bubbles and that they're all there. Let's see. Do they all have a timestamp? I wonder. Yeah, it looks like they all have a timestamp. That'll be a interesting one. I am actually really surprised that the JSON doesn't work. Let's make sure it's timestamp. Yeah. Yep. Cancel. Save. Hello. Okay, so that's the timestamp. It is kind of annoying that we can't see like everything. I don't know what that's the whole point to JSON. The JSON pipe. Okay, for some reason. Of the objects. It's supposed to be attributes. So it probably has a circular reference. One of these references probably in here. Like current target probably also then has something in here that then references back, and I guess by default they used to just crash, but I guess by default now they're just showing the first value, which is kind of a bummer. But we probably, I guess it's probably the point is at this point is to create types for these different events. It is a bit disappointing that we can't just look at these values inside of the browser at this point. I wonder what is it? I think object. What is it? Object. Is there a way? View all of the attributes. Object. Or properties. Object keys. So I wonder if I can get to that, if I can say inside of here, if I can say item. I wonder if I can do this. Object dot item dot keys. I wonder if it'll know, if it knows what that is. Hello. Yeah. So, like I said, that is a bummer. I definitely, at the very least, in the logs, want to see what all the keys are. So I would think I would want a then and then I wonder if I don't say what it is, if it'll. wonder if it'll let me do A now. I wonder if that's supposed to be a little o. Okay, what is the problem? Okay, so it is a lowercase. Object is equal to object, right? So now A is an object. Now it's saying A does not exist. Okay, so A, well, first of all, let's go back to this object. Okay, let's just try this const. Keys is equal to object dot A dot. It will not let me. Just won't even let me. Dot. Wasn't it object? Oh. Oh my gosh. Object keys A. Now I wonder if I can just use item instead. Silly goose. All right. So now we got our log keys. And now let's go back to our template. And let's go with keys to JSON. Hello. That is so lame. Let's see. Log keys. Hello. That is just bizarre. Okay, now let's come back over. Oh, well. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to do the log keys as well in the console log. Hello. Oh, this is saying that this array doesn't have anything in it, so looks like that code didn't do anything. Or I mean, maybe I'm looking at the wrong thing. Log listing. Yeah, that's not the right thing. Oh, I need to go over there. It won't. Yeah, it won't. I I keep forgetting that it doesn't execute that. Okay, so this has an array of 1, which is weird, right? So I think if I just go back here, yeah, it'll go back. Okay. Item is all of this. Object. Object keys, item. Okay, so now I'm going to run the keys function directly in the that was weird. And then item. I am very, very confused. How do you spell iterate? I think it just has 1 T actually. Am I, where am I in the debugger? I think I must not, I must, no? Yeah, so items still exists, yeah. Oh, okay, this isn't returning anything. Okay. Oh, okay, item if key dot has, no, if item. Oh my gosh. Pain in the butt. Tab. That's so weird. Okay, so it says if I hit tab, it'll take, okay, that time it took it. Has own property key, then this is so annoying. It is so annoying. Okay. So basically, they're saying, I wonder if you can do this. There was a point in time when you could just write code in here. I want to move that ChatGPT up onto my other screen so I can look at it while I'm doing this stuff. Okay. No, okay. So I'm in the for each. And so I want to see, and I have an item, and the item is got all this stuff in it. It definitely has all that stuff in it. So basically, I want to say for let key in item. console dot log key, comma, item key, and run it. Let's see what we got in our console. I think we got undefined, but I don't know. Okay, I'm just going to get rid of this break. Let's see what we have in our console now. Yeah, we didn't really get anything. Okay, so I'm going to go and put that in the code itself. Let me kill this. Okay, so basically I'm just going to copy this code that we saw a little bit before up here and tweak it. So we have our object, and then okay, so our object is item. There's our object. We're saying if the item has its own property. So I think that means that if it's not a child's, like a sub, like some other deeper nested value. I actually am not 100% sure on what that means, actually, now that I think about it. There's definitely been a time in my career that I've understood what that meant. Hello. Okay, and now this doesn't run until I come over here. We have that and components. So that was line 28. Was line 28 what we just did? Yeah, it was line 28. Pebble, shush. So line 28. So it is only finding one, oddly enough. This is so weird. I know this is, oh man, I just don't even know what to think. Sometimes things just don't work. Item key. So what we would expect it to come here again, but I'm guessing, oh no, type. Okay, I feel good about that. Is trusted. Wait, why are we back to here again? Is trusted. Okay, this is weird. Maybe it's like this. Maybe, yeah. Let's see. Okay, so the key is trusted. The next key is type, but I'm guessing that isn't item's own property. Is trusted literally the only one? Because oh, see, we're at type, but did bubbles ever come in any of these other ones? Target, current tag. Okay, I'm gonna try that. Does this come back as true or false? Oh, okay. So okay, so that is the issue. So the issue is that there must be some larger object, and then yeah, I don't know. This is very deep JavaScript stuff, because item apparently is an object, and see, it's the only one that's bolded. So I'm guessing that for the prototype of event, the only actual attribute it has is it's trusted, and all of these are something that is below event, or let's see. Okay, So this is actually a very, very important. I need to understand this. So ChatGPT. Hopefully, I'm not out of credits now. What does it mean? Has own property method for an object returns false. Okay, so so that's interesting. So everything apparently is inherited from the object's prototype and not. And that the only thing that isn't inherited apparently is the whether the is the isTrusted. Everything else apparently is inherited. So that's wild. And that is interesting and useful to know. And I'm pretty sure that at some point in the future, I'm going to be really glad I understand that. It's going to probably take me a couple days to just really absorb the meaning of this. So I think I want to call this video quits at this point. It's probably super long, 42 minutes. Anyways, have a great day and happy coding, everybody. Bye.